Hello, this is Cecelia at Creations by Muñeca and Elvira. And I got some Happy Mail. And this one is from the Rosey planner. This is the coffee and planning box. And this one, not sure what's in it. Let's see. So we have, we got a coffee cup. Yes. All right, let's see. I can get some scissors and see what we got. I haven't cheated, so I'm just barely opening it up. Oh, I messed up my rose. All right, I'm pretty sure she gave us another one. So let's see what it looks like. Oh, look at how cute, guys. Okay. So it came with a little charm, and it says Coffee and Planner Lovelies Club. And it has a little, oh my goodness, look how cute. We got another one, I think it was last year, and it was really cute too. Okay, so it came with a little handle for you can put it on your cup, and I guess this goes on here also. That's cute. And then, of course, we get our cute little clips. How pretty the color is. And then we got some stickers. Does anybody like the Rosey planner? I hope everybody's doing good. I've been trying to catch up on a lot of the mail that I've been getting over here in Texas. So I have been getting in packages, and I'm just trying to praise some people that I do actually love their stuff. But first coffee, that's really cute. And then I have these little washies. It has flowers on it. I have this one that has some pretty brown in it. This one has flowers. Ain't that beautiful? This one has ribbons, which I love that she has. Oh, bows. I'm sorry. And then she has this beautiful washi. And let's open it up because it's usually long and it has different kind of designs in it. So let me show you this one at least. The other ones are usually all the same, but this one will have about, I don't know, more than 10 designs, I think is what she does, but they're so beautiful. So I will show you this washi. I'm sorry, I should have, well, I couldn't open it if I didn't have the box open. Okay, so this washi right here, it has a lot of it in here. And I love that her washies, you could take them apart and put them on your planners. And so here's a little tape. So it goes from here all the way. Oh my God, that coffee maker is so, latte machine is so cute, that pink. Okay, and then you have a little coffee shop that's pink. You have the little breads. And then you have, that's so pretty. We have a lady drinking some coffee at the coffee shop. You have some croutons and some books. You have a laptop with a table. And then, nope, we're still going. Then you have this lady, and then you have another crouton, and then it stops. So you have all this on one. Oh, okay, thank you, Mama. Daughter, bring me a Starbucks. So she said there's a deal, guys, okay? So I'm going to tell you, okay? Because I don't know how she did it. But anyways, I'll have Vita tell you. What did you say you have to do, Mia?
Oh.
We're talking about coffee anyways on this box.
It's TikTok.
It's TikTok, guys. So what do you have to do? You have to order it how?
Oh, through the app. And then just add a whole bunch of stuff to it.
And you pay $5.50, so it's called the Iced Triple Espresso. And it's
fancy cup, brown sugar. There's a lime cup of caramel. We did blonde espresso with 6 pumps of brown sugar syrup, a splash of oat milk, and caramel drizzle with cinnamon powder. And it's pretty much just the brown sugar espresso, but cheaper, way cheaper.
So it was $5.50, she said, better than being almost $7.
And that's with cold foam.
And that was with cold foam. So go try it out, guys. And we don't get nothing for promoting. Just want to let you know. Okay, so here's some stickers. And so this one says coffee before kudos. It says it's too early for you to say things. I will start working when my coffee does. Ah, Linda's so funny. She always makes the funniest little things, little quotes. All right, so then she always gives you little cards, little motivating cards that you could put in your binders. And it says, today is your opportunity to build the tomorrow you want. Then you have a little bakery. You have a little crouton. This one says, you're like an iced coffee. Cool, sweet, and the way stronger than you know, than you look. Oh, that's cute. It says, today is a good mood is sponsored by coffee. That's cute. Okay, then she has this, that she has a bakery, and it's like a little postcard, like if you want to send somebody a letter. I usually use it in my you know, when I'm doing my journaling. And then she gave you some small little washies that you could put on your binders, planners. Oh, you got a little coffee before kudos. Oh my goodness, you can like put it on your binder or something. That's cute. Then she gave you a little pen with a little latte cup. Then you got another one that says Coffee and Planner Lovers Club. You can put on your binder. Then you got a Coffee and Planner 4.0 is the one this box is. And it's really nice what she's doing now because she has where you can, she does all the little washes and stuff in this little book. My last one I got, it was like almost the same way. And it's so cool because you get like little dates and stickers, you get the weeks. This is really, really nice. Linda, you did a wonderful job. And then you have some stickers that say important if you bought coffee. So this book is really cute. I like that. That's something new I think that she's doing this year. And then she gave us another little binder where you put your little stickers or whatever in, which is really cute. I love them. I have a whole bunch. And then we have vellum for your binder, and this is really cute. It has a little coffee, and then you have like Paris, which is really cute. Did you hear my daughter, guys? I know she has no shame. You can never have too much, I tell her. So this usually gives you markers or highlighters or pens, and I guess this one is, it says, I don't know, acrylic markers? It's like acrylic. I don't know what that means, but let's see. Oh, wow. That's nice. That's pretty. Okay. So we got these pretty little colors to go with the coffee theme, which is really cute. Then you got a little paper clip. It says coffee planners. Then you have a little sticky, which is really cute. I love her little Post-it note things that she does because they're so soft, the paper. It's really cute. Really nice. And then, oh wow, what is this? Oh, my daughter gets to put it on my shirt, guys. Oh my goodness. I got a transfer thing for my shirt. Oh, Linda, she's so cute.
That's cute.
Or I could put it on a little bag or something. Oh my goodness. How cool is that? It says, I will start working when my coffee does. Oh, we're going to have her make a shirt for me, our little bag for me. That is so cute. So my daughter does do shirts, guys. If you want to know, if you would like to know, she does.
I thought you dropped my coffee.
And so that would look really cute. Oh, so the bag, I could put it like on this kind of bag, would look really cute, guys. Look at, ain't that cute? Oh my goodness, yeah. So Let me have her put it on this little bag, and then I can get a little shirt and put it maybe on the side here, right?
On the other side.
On the other side of the bag.
You can just flip it over and put it on the side.
No, I think I want a shirt. Okay, that's really cute. So here's the instructions, and then she gave us some more vellum. So let me move this out the way, this box, before I drop something else. So she does put it like in a FedEx box, a bag, guys, for that your box doesn't mess up, so your stuff doesn't get wet, since it's coming from, I believe she's in Canada. Don't quote me by it, guys. I should know that because I get so much mail from her, but I don't remember at this moment. Okay, so we have one lady here, and she's having some little Danish things, and she's playing the piano. And then we have this beautiful, I think it's blossoms they're called. And then this one has some saying in it, but it's just writing. It's not really, I don't know what words those are. This is really cute with the fountain. And then you have a bakery. I love the colors she used. They're like browns, purples, and burgundies. So these right here, if you look, guys, the washi matches. So see, it matches this. And then this other washi matches this one. So she does match things to go, see? So that one matches this one. And then you have like this one will match this, see? So she does it really nice where the items match the, you know, the box that she makes. So it's really cute. But I just wanted to show you guys everything at the box. This is a coffee 4.0, I believe is what this one was called. And you really don't know what you're gonna get. It's just a mystery. So these are all sold out. You can't buy this anymore, but you can, sometimes she'll have where she has extra items and that you can buy individually. Of course, it probably would come out a little more expensive, but she does have where you can buy, you know, individual items if she has anything extra. If she doesn't, then you just, that's it. But this is everything that you get in the box right here, all this. So you get a lot of stuff, guys, and it's like $100 and something, but it's really worth all of everything that you get. I mean, she's always fills up the whole box, so it's really worth it. I love the quality of cup that she makes, the charms, and here's the other washi. So we got all this. So I hope you enjoyed our video. I will see you again. Have a good day. Say bye, Bella.